how to change language on Netflix application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change language on Netflix application. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over, open your Netflix application on your iOS, Android or computer, and then you're gonna head over, click on your profile, and here you're gonna click on manage profiles. Once you do so, you will be redirected to the profiles page. Here you're going to scroll down and click on your screen, and then you will be redirected to your account profile settings. And here under the preference section, you'll be able to see languages. So you're going to click on languages, and then you can simply select the language. Here you can see the display language here right now is English. So if you wish to change it to any language such as Espanol or any other language, you can simply click on that and the language will be changed. If you wish to change audio and subtitle language, you can also change them over here. So that is basically how you can change language on the Netflix application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.